Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. On Monday evening, I got the tube train home from the centre of London, and it was about 5:30, peak rush hour, and so the carriage I was in was incredibly crowded. When we got to King's Cross, a rather angry-looking businessman tried to squeeze in to the already tightly packed train. He shouted, "Move along, please, move along!" When nobody moved along, because there was no space to move into, he then started to get really irate and started screaming at people, "Can you all just please move along?" At which point an old guy next to me said, "What, mate, keep your hair on." If you tell people or somebody to keep their hair on, you basically are urging them not to panic and not to be so angry and so upset. So maybe if you borrow your parents' car and you come back with a tiny little scratch on it and your mum or your dad starts going crazy about it, you might have to say to them, "All right, keep your hair on. It's not that badly damaged or anything." Maybe you're on your way to the airport and the people you're with are starting to freak out a little bit because they're worried you're going to miss the plane. You might have to reassure them and say, "Listen, we'll get there on time. Keep your hair on, all right?" Maybe your boss is starting to get very anxious because he's worried that you might miss a deadline, but you think you're on top of everything and it's all under control. So you might have to say, "Oh, I wish you'd just keep your hair on a bit. It'll be done by Friday. Don't worry." And as you'll notice with all of these kinds of conversations, the basic message is keep your hair on. It's not that big a deal. It's not worth freaking out about. It's not the end of the world. Be calm. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use keep your hair on.